up, YouTube? My name's Triple M. Welcome to Nickel and Dime DIY. Wouldn't it be nice to just go to a channel where everything was clearly organized? And it tells you what the content is in nice, neatly packaged categories. Oh, automotive. You know, I was a professional auto mechanic for 10 years, so I could teach you some things and save you some money. Oh, home and garage. I don't know if you're like me, but I do a lot of stuff around the house. And I also worked for one of the major pest control companies for a few years, so I know some things about insects and what they can do to your house. Oh, backyard. I do lots of stuff in the backyard, from gardening to landscaping to putting together swing sets and all kinds of things. Oh, and crafting. Oh yeah, I've made some things. You name it. You give it to me, I'll turn it into something. Oh, and pool. Small pool, that's where you probably know me best from. I have a whole catalog of videos on how to build pool steps and everything else pertaining to a small pool. But I need your help to grow and to make this channel even bigger. So with your support, if you could like, share, subscribe, comment, it'd really be appreciated. Thanks for watching.